we will read grammatical use of a and the. Okay, students. A is used to talk of a things in a group. For example, a flock of birds, a group of people. And to talk of things in a general way in the sense of all. Like an opossum is a small animal. It means all opossum. Okay. With the numbers, we also use a or an, a dozen, a couple, 100, 1,000. Before quantity words, a few, a lot, a bit. After words like quite and rather, example, it was quite an experience. Before words describing professions like a teacher, a doctor, a trickster. Okay. Now comes the. The is used to talk about things we know are there. The balls, the kitchen sink, the moon. Okay. Now to talk of things for the second time. When we talk of anything second time, we use the. I saw an opossum in the zoo. The opossum was running around his cage. Then first time we use here an opossum, and second time we use the opossum. When we talk of people or things in a particular sense, as in the fire from the stars, bracket from the star, the people that the opossum helped. The mythology of Central America. When we talk of a thing or person in particular sense, we use the. Okay. This is in contrast with omission of the article where nouns are used in general sense. Okay. Example, stars are heavenly bodies. People have reviewed a love story. I like reading Central American mythology. Okay. So sometimes we omit the article when the nouns are used in a general sense. Like here. Student, zero article. It means where no article is used. For example, before proper noun, the name of people and places, we do not use any noun like Shri Ram, Shireen, India, Jabalpur. Okay. But the is used in cases when the name of a country had some other words in front of it. Like the United States of America. We do not use the America. We use the United States of America. The United Arab Emirates, the Sultanate of Oman, the United Kingdom. Okay. With material nouns like water, glass, wood, silver, we do not use any article. The can be used when the noun is particularized. The water from the well, the wood of this chair. When we use a particular thing, when the noun is related to a particular thing, then we use the. It means the water from the well. It means it's not only water, it's a water from the well. The wood of this chair. It is a particular chair and the wood of this particular chair. When speaking of the actual function of a place or institution, actual function of a place or institution, we do not use the before school, home, bed, work, hospital, and court. I am going to hospital for a checkup. If I am going to hospital for its particular function, actual function, then I do not use the. And if I am going to the hospital for some other purpose, like I am going to visit my friend, to see my friend, and we use the. I am going to hospital for checkup, we do not use the here. I am going to the hospital to see my friend. It means I am not going to hospital for its actual function. Actual function of the hospital is to provide treatment. I am not going to hospital for getting treatment. Okay. So we have used the here. With lunch, breakfast, dinner, and TV, we do not use the. I am going to Chinatown for dinner. Okay. So this is how we use different articles in different places. Thank you.